glad you're with me today. I'm participating in a collaboration of Foods of Lebanon. And the recipes we're making today will be all recipes from Lebanon. Mine is Lebanese Chicken Salad. I am really looking forward to it. I've never had this recipe before, but I love the spices in it. Coriander, cumin, sumac, cilantro, mint, parsley, lemon, all the wonderful flavors of the Middle East. You will also want to check out the other collaborators' videos. I've got links for their videos in the description below, and we all would love it if you watch our videos to the end and subscribe to us and come back and watch other videos. Let me show you how to make this delicious salad. Okay, let's start by making our marinade. I've got a blender here, and I have got 3/4 a teaspoon of sumac, 3/4 a teaspoon of cumin, 3/4 a teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So let's put that in here. And now here I have 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and 1 clove of garlic chopped. I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Actually, that should be 1.5 tablespoons. Let's give it a little more. There we go. And 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, let's blend this up. Now we want to take our chicken and put it in a plastic bag. I've got 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs here, and I'm just gonna drop them in my plastic bag. Gonna go wash my hands. And what we want to do now is get our marinade out into the bag. Now then, close your bag up and squish those thighs around in that marinade. This is going to be so good. I love the Middle Eastern spices, especially that sumac, the coriander, cilantro. This is delicious. Okay, once you've got that good and coated, I'll let a little air out of this bag. Once that's good and coated, you want to put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. See you in 4 hours. Let's mix our dressing for the salad. I've got a tablespoon of lemon juice, and let's do a teaspoon of mustard, tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, now let's whisk that together. And we'll set this aside for later. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and join the rest of the community of my friends. We all love chatting and commenting and enjoy food. Now what we want to do is take pita bread and slice it in half. I cut all the way around the edges and then slowly opened it up to slice it in half. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees, and we're going to bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. Now let's cut our romaine lettuce. You want to use the heart of the romaine lettuce, so I've removed outer leaves, and we're going to cut it crosswise. I'm gonna cut off this end, and then I'm gonna cut an inch in. Like so, and then cut across, like so, and across. And then I'm gonna put that into my bowl. Okay, let's do that again. Across and across. Cut that some more. Okay, into our bowl. All right, that will be enough for my one salad I'm making. You want to keep doing this if you're going to make more salads. Alrighty. Okay, now take your bowl of romaine lettuce, and we want to add 1 tomato that's been seeded and chopped, 1/2 cup of cucumber, about 1-inch cubes. That's an English cucumber. Here I have a tablespoon of mint and 2 to 3 tablespoons of flat leaf parsley. I have a teaspoon of sumac, ground sumac. And I have 1/4 cup of watercress. Now let's toss this around a little. And let's give this a good stir. This is our dressing. And then let's toss our salad in that dressing. Okay, let's prepare our chicken. It's been 4 hours. Been marinating it in this bag. And so I'm going to remove it and grill it. I actually am going to broil mine. I want to take this cilantro off though. Don't want it to burn on there. And there we go.
Hey, doggo.
Alexa, stop. When my dog barks, Alexa comes on and says, "Hey, doggo," and starts playing pretty music. So, let's go grill or broil our chicken thighs. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is put this salad onto a plate. Looking good, isn't it? Let's add a little salt and pepper. Okay, what we want to do now that our pita bread has cooked is to take it and break it into smaller pieces and put it on our salad. Now I want to add our broiled or grilled chicken thigh. Yum. Does that look delicious or what? What a great salad. Lebanese chicken salad with all the flavors of the Middle East with sumac and coriander and just all of the wonderful garlic flavors, cilantro, parsley, mint. Who could ask for more? Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please come back and watch more, and be sure and watch the other collaborators' videos on this Lebanese recipe day. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye now.